Hi, just thought I'd drop in here and give you all a little update for anyone who's following along. So this was last week, last Friday, the spreadsheet as I showed it to you in the week update last week. This is what it looks like so far at the end of Thursday's trading. So let's do this live on camera. Go over here. I've already got the date put in, 5th of May.
Connection lost.
5th of May 2017. Let's see if we can see that over here. Yep, so you saw we were about here last Friday and now we are here and it's the end of Thursday. I'm recording this on Friday, the 5th. So I haven't traded yet today. I will trade, so this is obviously gonna move either up or down. But at the moment we are here, just above $700 per contract. And that's it really. So this journey feels really I was feeling disheartened because I hadn't made any headway, and essentially since way back here trade late 30s we're at the same position and we're now on trade let's have a look, trade 71. So the last 30 trades have taken me nowhere essentially on if you look at this equity curve. But the nature of probabilities and markets means that this is gonna happen. So sideways chop, getting no result for maximum effort, even if I haven't actually done everything correctly, but we'll get to that in a second. Maximum effort, assuming even if you do execute a curve method perfectly, you're still gonna have these undulations and you're gonna have highs and lows and periods of chop and even maybe drawdown as well. So it'll be interesting to see what this looks like in another 70 trades. I just wanted to highlight something. This was from the last time we did all our little doodles. So let's bring this over here. Yeah, so this is like what, coming up to trade 40 as I said, and we're still here. And we've gone as low as 400 and as high as 900. So a $500 range, even if we're still only on $700 per contract. So this is what makes trading so difficult. I like this bounce here, and as I said last week, we've got higher lows and we've got higher highs. So that's a good thing. So I'm just focusing on surviving now the little drawdown period until the next day like this comes along, or this to push you to new highs and break to new highs. Obviously we've got this very important whole number which will act as psychological resistance most probably, and then the final number will be 1,500. So very slow, but I'm taking this professional approach rather than just trying to get funded and all that stuff. The way I'm thinking about it is, if I were to have, I've got this little account where I've got 1,500 drawdown and I'm risking like $50 per trade. But if we could have 50 grand drawdown, so we had a 50k account, and I'm doing this as much for my own psyche as to show anyone else. A 50k account, that means that with $500 risk, you would be risking 1%. If you could get yourself in that position and risk 500 rather than 50, i.e. a 10 lots per trade rather than 1 lots, well, now you can just move this decimal point over to the right by one decimal place, and it'd be lovely to see 4,000 rather than 400 here, 6,000 rather than 600, and so on and so forth. And in that case, this is perfectly acceptable, you know. So this would be 5,000, 50,000. And at this stage you'd be at 52, at this stage 54, back down to 50,000, 56, and so on and so forth. And if you had that kind of money behind you and that kind of this same sort of ability to fold when the days aren't going your way or when you're not feeling good and all that kind of stuff, then I wouldn't mind at all to be up $7,000 on a $50,000 account since the 23rd of March. The problem is the account's so small, it's easy for you to ignore the fact that these numbers are significant, especially if you can keep this type of performance up, which is all yet to be seen. So that's where I'm at now. That's what I'm thinking. I'm prepared to, we're at 700, I'm prepared to take at least 2 stops today, which would put us at 600 if you took 2 stops, potentially 3, which would put us down here. I did want to mention that yesterday was the first sort of real mistake. I lost $50 yesterday when I should have gained $50. So if you look down here, this is $51.04, which would be $510.40 if we run our hypothetical 10 contracts. Which is the way I'm treating it, by the way. I'm not looking at these smaller numbers. I'm considering these to be a factor of 10 bigger than what they are. So yeah, let's get rid of this. Yesterday we had 3 trades. Again, nighttime. I did well this time to not trade nighttime yesterday, i.e. this morning. I did last night, the night before, so Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and I lost there. Took a trade short here, and that went 1.5 hours or so in favor and stopped me out. Got fed up, left this long behind, was away eating dinner and didn't catch this long, and then caught this long from here, but I exited for 1 hour, which is highly uncharacteristic of me. It's not something I usually do, and I would have made another 2 hours into the close here. So that means that I'm out by 2 hours, about $100 or $1,000 per 10 contract trade. So that's that. News just came out. I did want to be long from here, so I'm going to end this video now, throw it out there raw, and get back to trading, and then I'll probably do a video later today or at some point this weekend. So that's it for now. Take care and be back at you soon.